winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch, yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff how the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch, yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Switch, yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. Green light, let's get it. 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 I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Hello, I'm Himothy. I got the recipe. I got the flow. I got the remedy. I know they do. I know they envy me. Feet on the floor. What they gon' say now? We came along from last place, bottom to top of the fast pace. Out of this surf, I get touchdown. I take a loss, get it back 8. I'm in the gym putting numbers up. You're never there, you got bad traits. Never excuses or cover ups. Learn from the losses and bad breaks. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Who said I wasn't him? Who said it? All this talk about who's on top and who's not. Miss me with the gossip. Check the score, yeah. See me coming out the screen. Know I gave myself the green light. Catch a shoe from the 3. If I'm not the one, it doesn't seem right. I need like 2, 4, 5, 6 in them rings. I'm talking back to back to back like 23. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Hello, Nick. It's Poppy. Can you give me a call? Thank you. Bye.
Last night was the last time that I saw you. My lifeline every time that I called you came through. But last night was the last time that I saw you. Now I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna
good morning, YouTube. How are you guys doing? Right, let's take a look at gold here. Let's do some markups. Let's do some markups here. Alright, so gold is still bullish overall, as we can see. Just keep breaking all-time highs. So we got a daily support here at 2146. And we got a support here. Take a look at the H4. Let me turn this music down a little bit. Alright. So on the 4-hour, we've got a support right here. We have a support here. Got another support here. And we've got another support here. And we've got a 4-hour resistance right here. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame here. Alright, so on the 1-hour time frame, we have a support here. And we have this resistance.
Have patience, that'll make sense. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip it down to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we got a resistance there on the H1 time frame. And we have a 1-hour demand here. Got another 1-hour demand here.
Trevor on the mix, so you know we gon' work. I might leave it wine, find a beach and go surf. I'ma ride the wave till I'm out of this earth. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip it down to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we got a 15 minutes minor support here. Alright. So now we wait. Good morning, Crystal. Good morning, Viraj. Remember when I said yesterday during Northern session before it happened, price going down to 2340 first and then go higher. Alright. Good morning, Edwin. I've been spending money like it's free. Kick it low, I'm rarely on the scene. Kick it low, the next Bruce Lee.
TMT, it cost me 17. I've been on the go since 17. You know how it goes. Yada yada, you know what I mean. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. I can switch locations on the map. Toss a dart and we go where it's at. Calculate the numbers, see the stats. Win, running back. No back in the booth for 40 love. Rafa on the clay, I can't be touched. With my fam, I made it out the mud. Pressure made a diamond in the rough. That's why.
Good morning.
Grind all life, I shine. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map.
Can I take a look at GJ? How about you mark it up and send it to Discord and let me take a look at your markups? Damn, I don't know why I keep yawning like this.
Down at those who left me, promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy, Brody, moving state to state. Make $1 million out the semi, plus I grind it from the start. I was stacking pennies, I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it.
Oh boy.
Push it, push it. Yeah, I watch sports and not the news. Yeah, couldn't name me Paul cause I'm the truth. Yeah, always find the wins after I lose. Even in or out, you can pick and choose. No. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee. Cause she the only 10 I see. Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, 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 push it. Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Redsing, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Redsing, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it.
Good morning, Kamidov. Do we fly above the H1 demand zone today? What do you mean fly above the H1 demand? Good morning, Anil.
I put you through loops, arguments about who and who. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another bar, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom line.
Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting, and it's early in the morning, baby.
I have no volume at all right now. So we'll see what happens when London session opens. And when London session opens and we keep rejecting this resistance, there is a chance we could see gold drop. The issue is, are we going to break this 15-minute support? Now, if we break this 15-minute support, I would at least be expecting price to come back to this demand, reject this demand, and then we start pushing back up. So that is what I'll be looking for. But if we come down aggressively and we fail to tap this demand, let's say we form a support here, that means we have a low breaking this previous minor low here to the left. Now we wait for price to pull back, reject the supply level, for price to continue down to create a new low, and at that point I believe we should come back down to the next support, which is going to be 23.18. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Because what we have now is that this low that we formed at 23.18, this low at 23.18 created this high. Now we created this low, but this low at 23.18 had failed, currently has failed to create a higher high, breaking this previous high to the left. So there is a chance we could see this fall before we push back up, or we could fall, pull back, and then take this circle, continue down. So we'll see what happens.
looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time.
Good morning, Janice.
And I'm singing like it's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Yeah, limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good
Good morning, Taco Tuesday. Morning, Vivian.
singing like SOS, please fill my cup. Always play ball, never AWOL. Oh, they mad now, cause they lost. That's on you, not on me. Lately, my phone on D&D. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. My phone right back.
Is it possible the price will go up to the H1 resistance and just go down to the 15-minute demand area? Yeah, it's possible.
Always need sign when they call. Order up a drink while I'm sitting at the bar. Like, I need a strong tail, Nico make two. Honey Jack with a little bit of juice.
But if we can go up and tap this 1 hour resistance again, rejecting, I'm probably going to take a sell below 23.43. Below 23.43 because we have about a 50 pip range, and we'll see though. We shall see.
Heard you thought it was a drought, is you serious? Make one call, turn the city up. Cop a little attaboy for the pick me up. Standing on the green like Wimbledon. Match point set serve, going for the win. Try to stay humble, still going do it big. Don't assume I'm cocky, I'm confident. Earned every dollar for the time I spent. Hard times they come and go. 10 toes I never fold. I can never ever ever go. I try to get
One done opens in 10 minutes.
I try to get some peace, that's all I need. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute. Work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute. Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boobs and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last still. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me.
Morning.
Good morning.
I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle.
Look, pocket rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them stop it, whoa. It's my destiny, feeling like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo. Alligator watch on me, Tim Tebow. And these haters love to watch me like Tebow. Look, I don't take L's, I just learn a lesson. Before I count the M's, always count my blessings. Look, I'm too short, never second guessing. Got some money, put up for the rain, so I'm never stressing.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east.
Good morning, Sean. CPI is tomorrow, Janice.
So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Wait a minute. Work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute. Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boobs and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last still. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is
Morning, Edwin.
Look, pocket rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them niggas stop it, whoa. It's my destiny, feeling like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo. Alligator watch on me, Tim Tebow.
Where's Wall at? All here?
No, he's not here yet.
Okay.
I'm here.
Wall,
Oh.
hey, buddy.
I didn't see your name.
Hey, what's up?
Morning.
Morning.
Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat.
What time is it there in Oz at the moment, Wall? What time would it be? Is it evening time?
I might never come down.
Yep. By 4:55 right now.
Oh, okay.
Come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Do what I do. You can't do.
It's pretty crazy. It's like, I think just last month, London session started at, I think it was like 7, but now it starts at 5 for me.
It's crazy. I mean, I was just thinking that you're exactly 10 hours ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yes, currently 5 to 8 in the morning here.
5 to 8. Okay.
Tell me about the future. What happens today? Am I going to get a winning trade? Do I get a winning trade?
Oh, we will.
It's 4:55 a.m. in Ethiopia. Oh,
Oh,
Damn.
and they're still in 2017, I believe.
2017. Guys, I don't want to alarm any of you, but in 2020 there's this crazy virus. Sell gold. I think Abe, it must be early morning. I think you're behind us, so early morning for you.
Yeah, it's 1:56 a.m. here.
Oh, cool.
I can't imagine if I travel to Ethiopia and man, and then really in 2017. That means you went back in time. Went back to the past.
Man, 2017.
What? Michael said they're the only people to drive a 2020 car in 2016. Oh, 2024. 2024 car in 2016. That's crazy.
Still come. We on the way, we came to play. We came to play, we on the way. You know,
12:42 p.m. in Nepal. Nepal. Where's Nepal? Is that India or Egypt?
got my funds up on the 1-1. I believe that for my loved ones and my son. I go down, you don't see that. Put it now, it's like the rest. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down. Had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect. Do it for the one who knows how it goes down. We on the way, we came to play.
Oh, it's India. So you guys are hopping on, man. Smash the like button.
We came to play. All right now, we came to play. We on the way. Like right now.
Nepal is near India. $12:28 in India. Uzbekistan?
Student of the game, I'm a scholastic. Platinum when I swipe, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank, magic. Student of the game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa.
London is about to open. And here we go.
My wife got me a Rolex, step your wifey up. Started from the bottom, now the price is up. We go gift for gift, it's like a game to us. You go tit for tat, and that's just strange to us. What's love? L-O-E, got some, H-A-T-E, can't do bad vibes, not on this side. Please keep that on that side. Student of the game, I'm a scholastic. Platinum when I swipe, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank, magic. Student of the game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa.
After the sale we took on gold during hour yesterday, man, it just went the other way from there.
It actually tapped the 5-minute demand.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
I had it marked out, but I thought no way it's gonna hold up. But man, held like a champ. It literally just kissed it, and that was it.
Yeah. If we was only focusing on the 15-minute or the 5 minute supply and demand zones, we'll be missing a lot of trades.
Yeah.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. You're a step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's the routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boot dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous. Hear what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I not Shaq West, but I'm getting really rich. Not your favorite rapper, but I'm really making hits.
Man, we need volume today.
Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business, and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up a mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up?
How was NY session? NY session was a win. Hey Zay, how you doing? Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Rodrigo. What's the plan? Buy on a 1 hour demand if we get there, yes. GU short, yep. That's for you. That's for those of you that trade currencies. Okay. Yesterday was a good lesson in risk management and patience. Yeah, because both the trades we took yesterday, they were both big stop losses. The London stop loss was actually better because eventually we were able to to move it to a 60 pip stop loss. But New York,
Yeah.
there was nothing we could do with that stop loss.
Far from the end. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m.
So remember, guys, as far as getting at least half of risk to reward, we're only gonna do that for NY because of the volume.
I might go forever, go for eons. Front like you don't be on. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya,
No volume at all.
see ya, be gone. See ya, see ya, see ya.
Oh, okay. You're right. I was measuring that candle. I'm like, don't lie to me. I bet that candle's like 50 pips. Oh, nope, never mind. It's only 15.
What candle? This current candle?
Yeah.
Oh, that means the volatility died down then.
Yeah.
Talking about a bag, you got bad credit. New MX, we don't use debit. Calling, brand new disc, keep calling. Tell them bring them through, need all them. For a whole kid still ballin'. I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof, I'm the proof.
Now that's the gold I know and I'm used to.
I'm looking down,
Low volatility though in London.
money a mile. I might go forever, go for eons. Front like you don't be on. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone.
That's axe volume. Yeah, but we don't wanna change anything. We don't wanna add any more pairs to the ones we trade already.
See ya, be gone. I'm on a run and you better know. I'm in the know and you better know. I'm here to stay and you better know. I'm at the table, I never fold.
So never good comes out of changing,
I'm at the table,
adding pairs.
don't cook correct and don't come again.
Yeah.
Please, I just need what I need. I collect for my seeds. Would've thought my name
You know, US 30 and NAS pretty much just ranged yesterday.
in my pocket, I be. I don't like to be seen. I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof, I'm the proof.
Oh, damn. Did nothing.
Not
Entire day.
I'm proud of you. Like money a mile or two.
Didn't Lucian say he's gonna take US 30?
Front like you don't be on.
You wanted to, but we didn't take it. You know, we were gonna
No,
take.
but Lucian said he's taking both, right?
Kid, I was a beast.
Oh, I don't know if you did.
Be gone. See ya.
Lucian, did you take US 30 sales? If we did, we would have won, but we didn't.
That would have been one nasty win.
Mm.
Man. 120 pips stop loss. Straight fucking monster drawdown. What is this, like 101 pip drawdown?
No. We would have taken it before that. Let's go to US 30. So
Yeah. That wouldn't have been enough to secure.
So this was where before we had this bullish candle, we were trying to take it below here. Now I would have taken it. So when this candle flipped here, because we already had this bearish candle touching, so I would have taken it below this.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, that was what I was going to do. So you have whatever, like a 75 pip stop loss, and that means we will need what? Let's just say 40, and we have 40 here, so it would have been a winner.
Okay, nice, nice.
I'm acting unruly too. This is me unusual. Life's a game, I'm cruising. Swear I cannot do no wrong. I don't have much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you never making plays. Playing phone tag.
That was why I had that line there yesterday, if you remember.
Okay. I don't remember that. All I remember is I was focused on gold. I'm like, nah, fuck US30.
Man, there was a
Yeah,
time.
gold was great.
Yeah, there was a period where both of them just started dropping all of a sudden. It felt like we're gonna have to choose which one to take.
Yeah.
Our closure on gold could not have been more perfect because that bitch turned around.
Yep. Our exit was below.
Yeah.
Our exit was their entry.
Pretty much. Oh my God. This is some good weed, guys. So you might hear me talk a lot today. Don't blame me, blame the weed. You will not give me this. King. This is yours. I don't know what you're talking about out there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, gold is about to clap sellers. Gold is about to clap sellers. They probably already clapped now, some.
Sure.
And guess what? They could clap them now and decide to do it. Grab those.
Oh, you're dead. It's over.
Yeah, he's still going for more.
They're dead. It's over. They're fucking done.
Above the highest. Look. He's still gonna go for that too.
50 pips. There you go. Straight death.
Now, if this candle closes bullish, this should continue. It should continue, even if it rejects. It should continue.
I don't even need Lucian to tell me. There's probably like a million gaps right in here when it's spiked up.
This should continue. And I'll tell you why it should continue. Because sellers have tried multiple times. Low, 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 low. And then we're breaking above highs now. Every time they tried, they couldn't push it down. So this should continue for sure. I'm not gonna say for sure because nothing is guaranteed in this game, but this should continue.
Yeah, good morning. You're right, Wal. I didn't see something like this in the long time. Because from here till here, it's only 0 sellers. Man, this is a real gap.
They got obliterated. Slipped probably 30 pips under stop loss or whatever.
This 1 hour hasn't closed yet, but I'm gonna still use it. Use the demand. I think it's really the 30. Yeah. 30 hasn't closed either, but we'll use it for now. We'll use it for now. I'm gonna patiently wait for this possible buys.
Oh yeah.
What's up, Elisio? As you, oh my God. Pass that weed because it's something else. Why do you think it's something else? Nice London Open, yes. It's going down to 2-3 before it continues. Huh. 2-3. Oh, okay, makes sense. Makes sense. I think that's around. Oh no.
What?
All the way down here?
You don't want that to happen.
Pretty much the H1 demand about be the H4. Yeah, not the H4 demand. So yeah, he's talking about H4 demand for sure. Especially if the higher time frame does not close above, especially the H4, then there's a chance it could get down there before it goes back up. Which means if we come down, this demand has to hold so that by the time it holds and then we break the new highs, then the H4 will close above. But I don't know if we have enough time for that though.
If I was trading a prop firm, I would hit the sell button, looking to fill the gap down. Because I'd be fearless. I'd be like, whatever.
Man, if you're banking and getting funded, you'll be very careful too. higher time frame are stronger. Yes. Yeah, you're right. I'm not. Yeah, you're right. That's why I use them too. I use them all because price does not always, even though the higher time frame demand or supply zones are the strongest, price does not always go all the way. For example, if I'm waiting for price to come down to a level of demand, and then I'm only expecting it to get to the higher time frame demand, it doesn't happen all the time. Price could decide to, reject at a 30-minute, or reject at a 15-minute, or reject at a 1 hour. So that's why I use them all.
And then you'll get the rare case where it'll just reject.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll sit back and you'll look at that and you'll be like, fucking hell, are you serious? Just another couple pips. Couldn't do it.
Yeah, and then also in most cases, for example, if you have a 4-hour demand zone, right, and you miss that trade, there's a higher chance prices, because the new demand is going to form right at that 4-hour demand on the lower time frame. Most of the time. So when you see that, then you can now add the lower time frame demand also to that 4-hour demand. And most times price will come back and retest it and then continue the bullish move. That's how I like to use the higher time frame demand, especially the 4. If I was a swing trader, then and I'm trading supply and demand, that's how I would trade it. What are you saying? Just only use the daily and the 4-hour demand. That's all I'm gonna use. All my trades are only gonna be from a higher time frame demand or from a higher time frame supply. And then I'm gonna swing it. If I take a sell, I'm swinging it to the next one. If I take a buy at the demand, I'm swinging it to the next one. Simple. That's the only setup I'll be taking. Of course, I gotta follow structure too as well. What? Weed is haram? That is very interesting.
What does that mean? Hold on. I've heard that before.
It's saying,
oh, okay.
I'm surprised that is freaking around. Very interesting.
Oh man, R.I.P. sellers. Oh.
Oh yeah, I was thinking like the way I marked up my charts earlier. If we had like a closure above this area here, we've been buys up. But obviously that never happened. Just blew past because This doesn't look
Yeah.
like a real rejection. Looks more like a wick fill.
Yeah. Makes sense.
And man, did it fill that wick. Holy.
It did it real quick too.
Yeah. Did anyone try and sell it? Man, did I bring in FOMO into your mind, Pi?
Alright guys, we need 45 likes to get 100. Come on guys, let's go. 100 likes.
All time frames work 50% of the time. All strategies work 50% of the time. That is not accurate. Supply and demand works much more than 50% of the time.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, Obi said that.
I would not be happy with a 50% win rate.
Those figures just don't add up. I'm sorry.
But the truth is, it can be a 50% win rate because it's going to depend on how you use it. It's going to depend on how you use it. For me personally, if I have a 50% win rate, I need more. It's not enough. Even though it is possible to have a 50% win rate and still make profits, because you're gonna have to make sure your risk reward is like at least a 1 to 2.
Yeah.
If you're getting 1 to 2, continuously, you get it 50% of the time, oh yeah, you're making money. But the way I trade, 50%, that's that's a losing month for sure. 50%.
Brings back bad memories.
So that's why I use supply and demand with support and resistance, and I just use it differently. Good morning, Ekene. Because I'm in negative risk to reward ratio trader.
Man, Kill the Beat
Pretty
just said
much.
some hilarious shit. Everything works. A stopped clock is right twice a day. Oh god.
When I was learning how to trade, I was trying to do what I was, what I was seeing every other trader do online, what they were talking about, because I was watching a lot of YouTube videos. I went to YouTube University before I eventually found somebody offline. I will get to all that later. So I was trying to do that, what I was, seeing what everyone was doing, talking about, but that wasn't who I am. We had these students say, "Oh, you got to catch it 1 to 2. You got to catch it 1 to 3, 1 to 5. This one will say 2 times. This one will say 10 hour. I'm like, what? Which one is it? Which one is it? So I was doing all that. It just wasn't. Eventually I was making money, but it wasn't consistent. It wasn't consistent. And the main reason why it wasn't consistent was because I be getting out of trades early. I be getting out of trades early. When I eventually found out who I was, man, that was what changed it for me. That was what changed it for me. I don't have the ability to hold my trades for long. Pretty much anything more than a 1-to-1, I can't do it. I'm getting out. All right. She doesn't want to come back, huh?
We got issues if it breaks above the bearish candle and closes.
Get your ass back down there, Gold. Come on. Don't toy with us again.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. No, this ain't what you used to. Switch up from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you. All night, get right. Know you know the price. Know you know the name, no games. I need all my money now. Not playing, man. This ain't what you used to. I might fly to LA.
I'll be right back, guys. Well, let me take over.
Uh-oh.
Damn, Pi. Why you like that?
Okay, YouTube, thanks for coming on.
Finding a profitable mentor is like winning the lottery. Huh? Maybe.
Then I guess we've all won the lottery then.
Yeah.
You found it here.
could take 30-minute wick fill, but it's risky. Yes, it is. Because you gotta think about your stop loss. It's like, where's your stop loss? It's like all the way down at the minor support that's formed under 30 demand area. Just a casual 100 pip stop loss from there. How long you been trading? How long you been trading, Pi?
I've been trading 4 years now, profitable for a couple of months.
Damn. I've been trading for what? So 1, 2, I think like 3 years now? 3 years? Was profitable straight away and then became not profitable a few months after. It's like maybe like 3 months of profitability, and then after that, not profitable because I was trading the stock market and it was in a bull run. So obviously, buy just works. So you don't even need to be good. You can be a retard and make money. Then bear market came and I was no longer profitable.
I was no
And then
longer
after
a retard.
that, yeah. And then that wakes you up and it's like, I have to learn. And then like took maybe like 6 months to 3 to 6 months to regain profitability.
Yeah, same as me really. I got into it 4 years ago. Just I think like most people, just hooked by the Insta scammers. And I was like, wow, this young guy has made $1 million in a year and he drives a Lambo. Whoa, what does he do? And then you just get hooked and with all the bad stuff. And then, but it definitely looked like a legitimate way to make a living. So I just tried to filter out all of the fake scammers and all the shit online. And then, I just started. You really got to deep dive and research this stuff and find what works for you. And trial and error. You lose a lot, but yeah, once it clicks, it's a great journey. It's a great journey. Don't give up.
Yeah.
Well, that's all I say. Don't throw it all away on a couple of losses. There's definitely a way to learn this stuff. But the mental side is, you can have the best strategy in the world, but if you can't mentally take it, then yeah, this isn't the place for you. But once you crack the mental side of things, you can really, really go far.
Agreed. Now, what sources did you learn from starting off? I started off just candlesticks. I think it was like just Googling how to trade and shit. And then it's like, oh, you start learning about candlestick patterns, dojis, Morningstar, whatever. And it's like, oh, okay, try and figure out what it all means. But none of that shit really helped.
And trends and stuff. Like I started, when I very first started, I was just like kept drawing trend lines all over my chart. But if I look back now, and you really got to look yourself in the mirror and say, do I really know what I'm doing, or am I just seeing it go up and thinking, okay, this is an upward trend, so surely I must buy. Then why is it going down? Why? Fuck.
Yeah, it always breaks the fucking trend line when you draw it. It's like, oh, okay, I drew in a nice trend line. Okay, I'm gonna buy it there, and then it breaks. And it's like, what the fuck?
Exactly. But once you understand why that's happening and what's actually going on, then understanding what moves the market, what impacts it, then it all starts to come together. But you're never going to be. If anyone says you're going to be profitable the first year, 2 years, then you're not doing things right.
And after I started, I was profitable straight away. But then once I became not profitable for like 3 months in a row, man, I started questioning myself in every way. I was like, at first I was like, man, I'm pretty good at this. Man, I'm going to make a killing. and then went from, man, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Was I just purely lucky? Can I even do this? Oh my God.
Yeah, absolutely. And you start tinkering with it. And the self-doubt trips in, and yeah, same. And then I started going on like YouTube and looking at live trade, and then I was stream hopping. I did all that, did the whole stream hop. Actually found Don, and Don was great, but then I couldn't cope with the mental side of Don. Like, it was just, the stop losses were too much, and it just hurt too much. And I've like watched King and Your Good Self Wall for a long time, and on London session, but it was at a time where you were just doing London Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and and I was always like, I wish I could trade with these guys all the time. And then I found out that you did a mentorship and joined the mentorship, and here I am. Yeah, well, it's I started to get profitable at the back end of last year, but this has just taken my trading to a whole nother level.
Amazing. And that's the thing, like, I find with like unsuccessful traders, they're always like indecisive, they're cheap, they got a shitty mindset, and it's like, dude, just look, you're gonna fucking lose money in the market, just fucking pay for education, just do it. It's 100%. Like when I did it, it's like I never even like knew about all those like YouTubers and scammers and all this kind of stuff. Like, I only found out about that like last year when I was like, oh, let me search online for some maybe like traders online. And then I found Raja Banks like straight away, watched a few of his things, and then saw Danvo, watched a few of his, then saw Aiden, watched like 2 of his, and then I'm like, okay, fuck it, sign up. It's like I made that decision real quick. Other people, they're probably like, I'm gonna watch this streamer for maybe like 6 months, then this streamer, and then I'm gonna watch like 5 streamers every single day, and maybe a year later I'm still not profitable. It's like, just fucking, just fucking do it already.
And you've really got to look yourself in the mirror when you're stream hopping, because I went through a phase of like, I'll watch this guy, watch that guy, and then I'll be like, God, I'm still losing. It's the streamer's fault. Oh, this guy sucks. But it's you. It was me. I'm the problem. I'm the problem. I'm the one hopping between strategy to strategy and not actually learning the stuff. And I sort of understand what they're doing, but I'm just looking for quick in and out. But yeah, once you start to really look at yourself and start to look what works for you. Look what works for you. I think King summed it up perfectly last week. Like, just stick with it. If you want to follow mentors and streamers, that's fine. That's totally fine. A lot of us started doing exactly that. But just stick with one. One that matches your personality, your mentality, your values, the way you trade, and then yeah, you can really learn from them. Really learn from them.
Yep. Hey, what's up, Elkai? Long time. You have any other sources of income? Before I was working as a chef, so I already had plenty of money. And that's another thing. There's a lot of people who come into trading broke. It's like, that's not a good place to start. Then you become desperate. And then what happens when you blow your account? You're fucked.
Yeah, 100%. Don't come into this in debt, or thinking you're going to pay off all your debts and mortgage in this trading. It's not. You'll put so much mental pressure on yourself. Even if you don't think you're doing it, subconsciously it'll be in the back of your head. The moment you take a loss, you'll be like, oh, damn, I'm in more debt. And it'll just get worse and worse.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm really lucky. I've got I'm self-employed. I've got my own business, so I've got that income on the side. But my goal is to move into to trading full time at some point.
You know what they say about the job. The experts say the job never killed anyone, but it's always a risk. So don't risk it. Come into mentorship, learn how to trade, and leave your job.
What are we doing?
And even with the streamers that I've seen, well, I haven't seen many, obviously, but I know with Don, it's like the only other person who trades good besides Don in his group seems to be Wix9. So you kind of like, there's this weird thing where the person, your mentor, he's teaching a group of people, but very few of those people ever grasp it, can really take that, and then really become successful and independent on their own. So I don't know. People need to really fucking assert themselves. Just fucking do it.
Totally agree. You gotta immerse yourself in this stuff. It's all well and good just watching them talk for a couple of hours and then just pressing buy or sell when they do. We got to understand why they're doing it.
Yeah.
Because what happens when that person stops streaming? Then it's fucked.
I take over. That's what happens.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
And I remember like when Abe talked about it, I think like in the group, it's like basically me, Kill the Beat, I think it was like Elisio, Faye. It's like a very small group of people are really able to take good trades on their own, I guess. What's a good amount to start growing an account? Jeez, I don't know. Because depends on where you live. What's your living expenses and all that stuff. But man, if you can afford it, just put $100 in and try to be profitable consistently. If you can be consistently profitable over like 2-3 months, then put in more money. Never seen a live where King ain't hitting the restroom. That's right. Why was Forex your choice of trading rather than option swing? Started with stocks, went to this basically because you're not limited on time of day. If you're trading stock market, you have to trade it during those limited hours of your, whatever you're trading.
It would be actually be nice if we can close above this minor resistance now, because the 1 hour is about to close, and that means the 1 hour might give the retest of this demand or eventually come back to this one.
It's already created a minor support here on the lower time frame.
Uh-huh.
God been blessing me. You think you've been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my
You wanna join the team, but you only have 200. Can you be discounted? Yeah, you have less than. I mean, it's less than 200. I'm good, and you? Good morning, Lively. So what I'm looking to do here is, as long as the 1 hour closes above 23.54, and since we formed a minor support at 23.51, then we're gonna take a look at least a 5-minute demand, at least for price to pull back to reject, and then we take the buy continuation since we formed a minor support here. So we'll see what happens.
Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so.
Confidence to take a trade is the hard part, and manage it. You took 20 pips on this week? Week fail? Oh.
Oh yeah, he said 30-minute. He was using the 30-minute. He was looking for a wick fill, that guy.
He was looking at the 30-minute. Oh.
Yeah, he was just looking to wick fill.
Stop loss was based on the 15-minute. If this bearish candle close rejecting it, and we might break this low to come down.
Needs and I'ma meet 'em. I got babies, so I clothe them and I feed them. I got babies living angels, they're no demons. I got babies you meet God if you mistreat them. Play no games, no way. 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 Got me paid for sure. Rapping work, those pay year to year, every year. You know it. Got no TikTok, not a flash, it's everlasting. I don't rock none, if I see you busters have them. I'm athletic, I wear track pants, never matching.
I assume that comment relates to me about the English guy. He was so happy when Abe made. He was so happy when Abe made him funded. Thank you, Abe, for making me funded.
Who said that?
I just on the YouTube chat. I was reading through the comments, and some guy just said the English guy, and I think that might be me.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back.
No, the amount to join the team is not 500. That is if you want to be with us for 6 months. But you can go with the monthly one if that's what you want to do. It must, maybe you're looking at the wrong link. The link is right above, right there.
I just wake up, I don't say nothing. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's the case one.
Also, when you join Abe, you have the special gift of earning while learning, as he says.
In the summer, boy, I keep making noise. I've been paranoid. This is God body, you can never void. I don't miss, I don't play none. I don't diss, I don't say none. I go switch, that's an A1. I stay.
It says 264k people already switched to futures. What? Well, where did you see that? Who said that, Elysia?
I meet them, then I leave them. I wake up, fight my demons. I never grew my circle. I can't trust you with my freedom. Get me locked down, keep you locked out. Only when it's here, you look poppy. I get drops now.
Really kidding me.
In the wintertime,
How was the eclipse yesterday? I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
I go ghost, but tell me I'm more like his lead. Rockstar, baby, turn pop star. I don't miss, I don't play none. I don't diss, I don't say none.
Oh, it's on Google?
That's an A1. I stay with no A1.
Yeah, they can see it now. Kid a bit.
I'm in the bank, tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing.
I wonder if that's 264,000 like real futures traders, or is that talking about like prop firm traders, or what is that? Because that's a big number.
Yeah, that's a big number. And it's only gonna keep increasing.
Yeah.
It's actually good for the futures market because really, I feel like the futures market has, less retail traders compared to, Forex and the stock market.
Yeah. Huh. It might actually make the Forex market better because they might have to compete, lower their spreads and stuff like that.
Yeah. And now all these offshore brokers, even the ones that are offshore regulated brokers, they took a huge hit.
Oh, yeah.
They get lots of clients from the US. US was definitely a big market for them. And SEC, they knew it. They knew it too. $100 sell here. Yeah, if this gap was bigger than this, yeah, I'll take it. But I'll patiently wait. Yeah. It's really crazy how some of you you actually know the kind of trades I take with the entry too. Because before, in the beginning, Edwin wouldn't have said, I'm not gonna take this out. Oh. You're welcome, JJ. Mm-hmm. What's the round trip commission? Per trade? Are you asking for futures or Forex? I don't know. they charge commissions per trade with futures?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, I don't know. But wait, I thought that was really what the monthly fee was for.
Now you still gotta pay commissions on top of that.
I mean, I don't know. Oh, that's interesting. Yep. Yeah, Joe. I guess you gotta pay commissions. So what's the commission like then? Is it kind of
God, I
like,
can't remember.
is it like Forex?
Yeah, it was. I remember I can't remember the amount, but yeah, you're still paying commissions.
Yeah, as long
Lucian should know.
as long as it's not crazy.
The only thing I remember is micros. You don't want to trade micros because the commission is like high considering how little the micro is worth.
So it's better to trade many.
Yeah.
You never did. I think no spread comes for free. That's funny.
They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
Top step that I'm trading with right now, I've not taken any positions using trading view. I mean using TraderView. It's just been trading view.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it.
Yeah, yep. Some of the brokers, Forex brokers, yeah, they be having like 3 pip spread, and you still gotta pay commissions. But then again, you don't have that monthly fee too. It's crazy. But I like futures better.
Oh yeah, I remember with Trade-of-8, you can pay like some yearly plan thing, or like let's say a couple $100 for some yearly plan, and then it makes your commissions cheaper. But you still have to pay commissions, and you still have to pay the monthly data fee for trading whatever you want.
Mm-hmm.
You have to buy the gold data if you want to trade gold.
I'm still waiting for them to freaking approve my account. I don't freaking know why it's taking so long.
Hasn't that been like 2 weeks or something?
Yeah. Well, they asked me to. Well, they asked me to send. I already sent it. I don't know. I don't know what's taking them too long.
I think I got if I remember correctly, it only took a few days for me.
Yeah.
And I live in Australia.
Yeah. I'm in the US, so. Your ass will be chasing. You don't want to chase the market. You got to let the market come to you.
Yes.
Even though breakout strategy can work if you know how to use it, but for me personally, this is just my opinion. Breakout strategy, you're simply chasing the market. As soon as you see it break a resistance, bam, you're up in. You're chasing. That's one of the reasons why it's the hardest strategy to use and become profitable consistently. Mm. Oh man, come on, man. The volume has kind of died down ever since this crazy bullish candle. It's been a while since we've got an early trade during London session. I think that has only happened like maybe 3 times so far this year.
What happened?
Like I said, it's been a while since we've got an early trade during London session.
Oh, yeah. So only 3 times, you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Super rare. If we see a couple new members during New York session, I'll know my little rant on YouTube worked.
You went on a rant?
Yeah, telling them to just do it, stop fucking around, hopping from stream to stream. Just fucking, you want to be successful, just fucking do it. Stop wasting time. Oh, see, you've got these trying to fake sellers here.
Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Yeah, new Jeep, no doors with it. No, I won't stop now. Who you kidding? Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma send it. I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it.
have a 65 or 60 pip stop loss. If that supports / 5-minute demand holds, start breaking this high and take buys. Yeah, I know, Edwin. But since we broke above it here on the lower time frame, and then the 5-minute, we have this support here, multiple rejections at the bottom, and then price created another support here. If we start breaking this high, we should continue.
Yep. And we already broke the resistance over here.
Yeah.
All time frames bullish again.
Uh-huh. Right now, there's still a chance this could still come down until we break, till we start breaking this.
To the bank like left it to the bank like I got it in 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch it make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm tight fine. I be waking up when you go night-night. In a different zone, what's the time? Left it to the bank like left it to the bank like I got it in 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like I'm
Just as if we break the minor support below, this should come down. And if we break resistance, start breaking it, we should continue to the upside.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too, I subside with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo, when I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really
Stop loss is going to be pretty much 60 pips.
We're looking for buys because we broke structure to the high side. And then we're respecting the 5 demand here. This minor support that's been made. Is there anything else, Abe?
No, that was it.
Oh, where to? Oh. Oh, Lennore's like asking where to for the take profit. It's like your imagination is your target.
Yep. This is just a 1-to-1. Alright, Ekene. See you on Thursday. Oh yeah, NY shit. I'm gonna get my shit 15 to 20 and be out. I mean for London, I mean.
Yeah. New York, we're doing that 50.
New York, if your stop loss is 50, we're doing 25 at least. If it's 60, we're doing 30 at least. If it's 100, we're doing 50 at least. With CPI, good might actually tank tomorrow. And then go back up afterwards.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me say.
I wouldn't be surprised if CPI comes out and it's like really good for the dollar and gold still goes up. Like what it did the other day for, what was that? NFP.
You saw me at Target. Nah, that wasn't me you saw.
Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids,
This should be African. At least 20. But I'll go with 25. That's good.
I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
$60 pip stop loss.
Oh, yeah.
I honestly didn't really want to say anything on this, but that's what the people want. That's what I came here for. So we're gonna get into it.
No, we're not in.
I like my coffee black, wife too. Don't turn this to no controversy. It's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off it ×2. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Epic. You peep the aesthetic, it's hard to forget it. I hear you talking, but you're hardly right. I'm the voice of your prototype. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? It's too cool. Get the dry tops out. Summertime and then why? Get them fits right. Bottles over here. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? I'm talking 6 a.m. tea times. 18 with the mayor talking land banks. I waited for it, gotta get mine. Snag a seat up at the table if my man can't. Head into a meeting, we're familiar with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make mine. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? You know the drill by now. Summertime and then why? Get everything together, get the squad together, get the gang together. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? Started in the back office, now I run the front. Call the shots, make the deals, know the deal, know what's up. Too much for the books, then I put it in a tuck. Too much for the tuck, then I give it to my love. Once I make $1 million, man, $1 million won't be enough. Watch me fake the struggle while I get it off the hush. Now it's jet blue miles, Rolex dials, frowns turn to smiles. Summertime and then why? Now we come to an end. Summertime and then why? And the falls upon us. I want you to bring that energy. Summertime and then why? And run that thing back. Yeah. Until next year. Summertime and then why? Yeah. And why? Summertime and then why? Yeah. We gone. used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr. Band. Came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic. Just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach. That's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn a Rolls to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell them why you mad, for. Go on, tell them why you mad, for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Riding around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell them why you mad, for.
How many buys?
Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking
What the hell is going up there, friends?
Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell them why you mad, for. Go on, tell them why you mad, for. Silly. Soft spoken, I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. For records in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Pen the top 10 and ball for ball, and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me, just tell me go and I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad, for.
Get your rest, stupid.
And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. I am not the one to, no. Yeah. And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. Competition, target practice, I don't see no targets here. I fear God and that's all I fear. This is not a starter kit, this is not gas, this is Gucci to the cardigan, down to the moccasins. This is not a brag, I can hardly care. Lately I've been bugging, buying clothes that I'ma hardly wear. Being broke is what I fear. I've been down, yeah, I've been down, I've been down, but we are young. I've been down, yeah, I've been down, I've been down, but we are young. Here now, so I'ma make it last. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen the picture.
Get man 15, I'm out of this.
God, I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My 2 kids in the back can't imagine how they felt. And they cried, and they wept, and they wept, but they're strong. And we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I put 10 on. I put 10 on.
You pull back real quick after giving it to me.
cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the grind. I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. It's hard to get over.
I'm out. I'm out. So my 15. Oh, let's go. What's that one at?
Beautiful.
What's that one at 20?
I closed at 22.
Beautiful.
YouTube,
Beautiful.
join the mentorship. Make money with us.
Come make money with Abe, Wall, and that English guy.
Or continue to stream hop and fucking waste years of your time being not profitable.
Beautiful. Gonna get that. Spam W's in the chat. At least you guys can now get me to 100 likes. So we need 3 more. And get me to 150. 150 likes. Let's go. Can we do it?
I just realised I didn't like it. I've just liked it just now. Oh man, that's terrible. That's really all. I'm sorry. That's bad form.
What was bad from?
He disliked it.
Oh.
I kept telling everyone to like the YouTube, but I hadn't done it myself. I closed out at 15 on that first initial push. I just had
the first
flash.
one. I ended up getting 16.
Oh, nice.
And then futures, I got 20 on that one.
Oh, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I started.
I was thinking about holding.
You was thinking about holding?
Or 50%.
Oh.
But then it was like moving up pretty slow, so I was like, fuck it.
I'm gonna stick to New York session for that one. One session for
Whoa, you must be 100% still, no?
Yep. Still 100 on the month.
Nice, nice. But it only works 50% of the time.
All right.
You said, if you want to be a happy English guy, join the mentorship.
All right, YouTube. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All my links is down below in the description. If you want to learn how I trade with us, learn while you learn. You can join the link, and that's in the description. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same session. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys in a few hours.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thanks,
You're
thanks,
welcome,
guys.
guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money and no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money and no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Pedal to the floor, to the engine. Head up in the clouds when I levitate. We don't spit game, we just educate. 10-10-80, had a paper straight. Couldn't get it back then, so I had to wait. Now the money come to me, so I don't have to chase. I don't gotta flash nothing, I don't gotta fake darling. We not practicing, we ballin'. And heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Be my only way, be my one away. You're my only way, be my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hear me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you've been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spent